If you want to work from home, many transcription jobs are available. The best thing about this type of job is to set your schedule. If you don't have a set workspace, you can set up your workspace. You can also buy yourself a comfortable office chair if you need to. Once you have a space to work in peace, you can start applying for jobs. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. First, he will discuss work from home transcription jobs entry level. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Before we even get started, I would like you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me show you this, guys. Before you go further, I have a lead system where you can acquire a lot of leads. You can triple your leads in a matter of no time. Look at the statistics right here. You can do this in no time. All you have to do is follow the link that I have below, tripleyouremaillist.com. Also, let me let you look at the my Gmail account. Look at all these leads coming in. They come in on a daily basis, and you could join this opportunity absolutely free. Just take a look at the link that I have below in the video. I'll see you inside.
All right. Transcription work really shocked me, has been blowing up lately. It's been a lot of search that's going through my channel. The reason why I decided to do more research on it, just to make sure we're covering everything. I'm back again in Indeed, and the reason why I want to do that, Indeed do reference other companies for transcription work, and this one here is a transcription. So we're going to take a look at this one right here really quick, and we're going to try to get you through to a few jobs. And this is another remote medical transcription. It is in Skywriters, Maryland. It has 32 reviews. Let's just go through and find out what it's all about. It is a full job description. Medical scribe service provider dictates the physician increase the amount of time that they spend with patients. Really don't understand that. If you're in the medical field, you would understand. It says our goal is to revolutionize the medical scribe service by removing their invasive and obstructive presence from the room, while delivering a strong return on investment and involving the quality of the doctor. Just want to kind of pass that on because this kind of work is a little bit different. So this is a medical transcriptionist. So, and it pays between $43,000 and $54,000 a year. So they got some duties that you need to kind of look through. We're going to jot down a few of them. It says create Word document formatted to providers, Skywriters, MD, preference utilizing providers, workflow, and Skywriters, MD. Reviews transcription document to create a polished product. I don't know, this one here is a pretty good job, and I imagine you will have to have a little bit of experience in this and part of the medical side. And it says understand the clinical documentation, document clinical assessment and plans in an EHR. So if you're actually looking at this video, you've got to have some kind of medical background on this one. This one here is different, but the awesome part about it, and like I say throughout all of my videos, guys, it's remote. It is a remote job that you can take a look at, and it pays pretty good. So like I said, if that's something within the description that you can do, you can apply. Let's go to the next job, and this one here is a wow, this is in Meridian, Mississippi. Kind of a part-time contract. It's administrative system, verbatim hearing report time job. So this is what it is: high school education, medical terminology, at least a year. You can learn that if that's what you want to do. Let's just talk about the description. It's a full job description. Business support service is currently seeking a court reporter that provides of Social Security hearing for the Office of Hearing Operator. Major duties and responsibility of the VHR. Examples provided do not cover all the duties which that incumbent in the position may be required to perform. Set up the recording equipment to ensure testimonies are given to attendees will be properly recorded. So I'm just trying to go through and take a look at all of these things. So what you want to do is you want to go in here, and what you want to do is you want to look at this description. You got to be a pretty good typer. You must have reliable transportation. I don't know. This is supposed to be a remote job. Let me just make sure if this is this one here is a work on location. I apologize, and this is not a work from home job. Let's go to remote. I apologize for going through that. Let's take a look at another one. Let's go to transcription. I apologize for wasting your time. And what I didn't do, I didn't make sure I put that in the call. I didn't look at it. This is a transcription. This one is $15 to $25 an hour, and this one here is in transcription. And I have talked about Allegiance and as a company before, but this time they have their jobs right there. Indeed, it makes it easier for me to search, to share it with you guys. And Allegiance been around since '96, so that's pretty good. They've been around for a while. So this is what they're offering: the Quality Development Program, Standards and Process, a transcription community network with discussion forums and resources library, a transparent Q&A feedback program. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So it's a pretty good so yeah, it pays between $15 and $25 an hour, and I think that's excellent when you're at the house. When you're at the house and you're not commuting, yeah, that's a pretty good job. But come in here and take a look at this job. I want to see, it's 31 reviews, so you want to take a look at it. I wanted, like I always say, you always have updated PC, Microsoft Office. If I was you, I would go out and find me a Windows 10, because you know the 11 just came out. And since the 11 just came out, you can find you a Windows 10. Go to Amazon and find you a Windows 10, and you could go ahead and get you a refurbished, get you some RAM to keep the speed up. And what I would do, I will make that PC only for my work. I wouldn't do nothing else on that PC but my job. And you don't have to have no problem with it messing up, because this is your livelihood. You wouldn't want to do that. And then they look at, they talk about having antivirus and Word 2013 plus. And let me tell you something, if you go and get Word that backdated, man, you may not, I mean, the whole Microsoft Office suite won't cost you $20. So you can do that. So you want to make sure you impress these people. And I think it talked about typing 60 words per minute, and that might have been the other job I looked at. But yeah, just come in here and take a look at this job. I always tell you, you need to have that kind of training. Let's go to the next one here. This is $15 to $34 an hour. And it's a transcription legal proof. 2 reviews, full time. That's the name of the company, Legal Proof. Yeah. Part-time, full-time, and they compensate you through PayPal. Yeah, it don't take long for you get your deal, your money. Let's just read what it says real quick. Our community brings together experienced transcripts across the country to transcribe and proof digital transcripts, the legal and general space. We hire only the best and are building a unique and supportive work culture for independent contractors. We are seeking individuals who have producing very highly qualified documents. So this one here type of job is not just your total entry-level job. You have to have some kind of experience with this job, and because they want satisfactory work. If you're interested in it, take a look at it and read through the fine print and see if this is something you can do. We're gonna tap in on one more really quick. May not go through all of the reading, but I know it pays pretty good, $25 to $35 an hour. And this is a video in Stata Incorporated. Let's look at what it's talking about really quick. Pays pretty good. And we're going to read kind of what it does, and then we're going to let you take a look at it. It says proofreading, deposition, witness testimony, where testimony has been previously transcribed into a word perfect document. The job entails proofreading and transcribing word perfect docket against an audio/video recording, videotape, deposition testimony for literal accuracy, including grammar, punctuation, formatting, medical, and legal terms. When that word says transcriptionist and proofreader, guys, you are gonna have to be, this is gonna have to be a quality job. Anybody off the street just cannot do this. But look at what it pays. It's what it pays, $25 to $35, which is pretty good money. You're gonna have to have slightly some kind of experience, particular job. So just want to make sure we're clear on it. So when you go and look at this particular job, you're just not by yourself. So what I done is, and I'm fixing to cut this video short. Once I went to Indeed, I just want to make sure you type this in. I typed in transcription jobs, and those are the jobs that showed up. So I didn't want to keep this video in long. My videos are around 10 minutes. Bore you through all this. 10 minutes is enough. Give you the research so you can get to it. So I want to cut this video short. I hope these something that you could benefit for. That's what this channel is for. So before we close out, you can leave me a comment if you're looking for something specific that I need to do some research on. Just leave a comment and we can get that done. Let me get a like and a subscription before I go. And guys, take care, and I'll see you.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.